Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to compare the UFS Storage 3.1 read and write speeds comparison between all of these three smartphones which I got right now. I mean two smartphones with the UFS Storage 3.1 and one smartphone only with the NVMe type of storage from the iPhone. So iPhone 12 which has got the NVMe type of storage, as you can see, read and write speeds. So let's see friends how well the iPhone gonna compare with the UFS storage 3.1. So that's what I'm going to compare in this video. So right now for the demonstration purpose, I'll try to use the AnuBenchmark application which is available. So in the AnuBenchmark application, there's an option which is called the storage speed test. So I'm trying to use this storage speed test as an example to determine what will happen with the read and write speeds between these three smartphones. So once the test has been completed, we'll be able to access the result, read speed and the write speed, what is maintaining between these devices. So this is going to be really very interesting to see which phone will be having what kind of results. And Realme X and Max did finish the test 59,000, 60,000 in the iQOO 7 device, and still the test is going on in the iPhone at this moment. You can see. So it's gone. Finally, it's finished, and right now we got about 33,000 versus 60 and 59,000. As you can see, friends. So that's kind of really huge difference between this UFS storage 3.1 and normal NVMe type of storage from the iPhone 12. Let me just slightly zoom in, you will be able to focus. So 1746 is the read speed highest, 1727 second highest, 1348. 775, 461 and 961 in the Realme X and Max. Realme X and Max has got slightly highest in terms of the write speeds. So friends, this is a quick read and write speeds comparison between all of these three smartphones. So between this iQOO 7 and the Realme X and Max and the iPhone 12 device. That's it friends, thank you for watching, stay tuned for more updates, and in case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, until then, bye.